Here at Rebolics Restoratives, we have a product called Smart Salve. It's a great tool to use, especially after surgery when somebody is transitioning off their prescription medicine. There can be some issues when somebody starts to effectively wanting to get off sooner, or the effects that they don't need the heaviness of a narcotic that might make them drowsy or affect them for their workplace. So Smart Salve is a product that comes in a couple different methods of containers. One is a 0.47, the 4 ounce, the 2.5, and for the practitioner, this is a little demo sample that we use. And how this product works is it's made with botanicals. There's no synthetic chemicals or petroleums. What happens is that maybe we've had like a mole surgery where the doctor has made an incision that's been pretty deep, especially maybe on a forehead or something like this. And what happens after the surgery, the skin starts to tighten up, and this can moisturize the skin, so there's not effectively the pulling, the dryness of the skin, because a lot of the anesthesia and narcotics are acid, and they have a tendency to affect the nerve endings. So with using a botanical, it has a moisturizer and a heat substance that gives calms the inflammation, that it goes on the area. And what the nice part is you don't want to touch your finger if you can help it, because you want to go, in case you have, you don't want an issue with the patient touching with their hands. And how this works is that a lot of times the residual from the lymphatic systems that can collect near the lymph nodes. So if you have issues where shoulder pain or maybe some collar pain, that may be a problem with a lymph node that has been slightly altered in the flow of the fluids. This can topically go in the skin and help in giving great relief to the patient psychologically and physically. So we like to look at this because we'd like to get the patient off their narcotic as fast as possible, because in essence the narcotic is affecting the whole body, and also that orally they could go to an aspirin or something like that would affect all the organs. And being that the FDA today has asked that they have some issues with over-the-counter pain relievers, that this topically skin goes right to where the soreness of the person that they're suffering. So this can be a tool that for the doctor to help. And also on top of that, the skin, as it heals, you'll get much better results, and you'll notice that the itching and the calmness will greatly help your patients recover much faster. So it's called Smart Salve, and it's available in several different forms, and there's no synthetic chemicals or petroleums to worry about, and it's safe for all age groups.